Hello guys, good morning. I heard a lot of questions about the preparing of portfolios. Kaya this morning, we're going to talk about portfolios. So ano nga ba ang portfolio? Okay? Portfolios are collections of student work representing a selection of performance. Pwede ba nating ilagay lahat ng gusto nating ilagay? No. Ang ilalagay ninyo ay yung best output, no? So, ang difference ng portfolio with collection of outputs is ang portfolio, yung talagang mga pang-highlight, pang-malakasang output lang ang ilalagay. Okay? So, yan ang ilalagay ninyo sa inyong portfolio. Portfolios can be any evidence of learning progress and academic accomplishments. Yun naman pala. So, lahat ng ebidensya na natuto kayo, ilagay nyo. Sample, written assignments, journal entries, completed tests, artwork, at kung ano-ano pa. It could be a photo journal of you studying, highlighting the accomplished activities. Just be creative, okay? What must be included in your portfolio? Una, you have to have the introduction. So, write a paragraph of what subject you are answering, how many activities are there, and how many days it would be answered. Keep it short and simple. The artifacts, yan ang pakalawa. Artifacts meaning mga pruweba or proof. Collect any proof of your learning. You can write a poem, photo collage, essay, activities being answered, or journal, for example. Kahit ano na po pwede niyong i-highlight. The third part is the self-reflection. So dito, ilalagay nyo na kung ano sa tingin nyo ang natutunan nyo, anong kailangan nyong gawin, saan kayo nahirapan. So lahat ng inyong mga feelings, emotions, anything, you can put it on your reflection. Pwede rin yung kung saan po pwedeng makatulong si teacher o si nanay na nandyan sa inyo, pwede nyo rin ilagay doon. Huwag nyo rin kalimutan yung packaging. Make a cover page or title page with your name, subject, and your teacher. Kasi, paano namin malalaman kung kaninong output yun? Alright? Ano ang gagamitin sa pag-prepare ng portfolio? Folder, bond paper, pens, gunting, at kung ano-ano pa. Pero most likely, 2 bond paper, okay na. Good luck!